Hello guys, I am Shakzee from Shakzee.com and welcome in lecture number 8. Today we are going to discuss about the comments so you can easily understand the mechanism of the comments. So first of all, go to your page. You have all pages and I have a sample page. View. You have your page. Okay. Then, okay. Added this page. Allow comment or not. Feature images, contribution, pages, quick, where's the comment, allow comment, here is your allow comment, update, go to your page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, everyone can send a comment or write the comment below your page. Okay, so now what you need, you just need to write a comment here. For suppose I'm saying here is my comment, post the comment. So as you can see your comment here, go to your dashboard, refresh the page. So now as you can see you have one comment. Why? Because you are the admin, so that's why it's showing here. I have to create another account. For suppose here is my account. I'm saying that John at hotmail.com, first name John, last name nothing. Okay, I'm going to set the password John123. okay, John123. Confirm password is weak. The role of the member is subscriber. Don't worry, we will discuss about the users in our later lectures. For now I have just created before I want to work on the comment. So here is your website. I'm going to log in my different account. So first of all, what you need, you just need to log in. John123. Remember me, log in. Okay, I have just logged in to my account. As you can see, I am admin, so that's why the appearance, plugins and other options are showing on inside my admin panel. So now the role is the subscriber, so that's why I have just my on. Okay, so I have to visit my site. So this is your site and your sample, where is the sample page. Okay, I have to copy this and I am going to paste here. Don't worry, we will discuss about the pages on. Okay, for now I'm going to leave. I'm saying here is my comment for you. Okay, I have just pasted or I have just written the comment below my tab. Refresh the page. So as you can see, we have received the comment, one comment. As you can see now, this is unapproved comment because I'm logged in, so that's why if I log out and just a second. Okay, so as you can see, the one comment is currently showing because this is the admin comment. Okay, so what you need, you just need to approve this comment, approve or send to trash or mark as spam. Okay, I'm going to approve this comment. Approve. Now go to your page, refresh your page. Now as you can see, the John comment is currently showing. Go to your comment section and approve this. Go to your page, refresh the page. One comment is currently showing. For suppose if you want to mark as a spam, just click on the spam. So as you can see now it's showing on the spam section. Okay, if you want to delete this, okay, not a spam, so this is unapproved still, go to your trash. So now you have just trashed this comment. So if you want to permanently delete this, So hit the delete button, or if you want to restore this, you just restore, or if you want to mark as a spam, just restore. Okay, so now I'm going to restore it. So now click the all section. We have 4 comments. If you want to select all the comment and perform some bulk action, for suppose approve, mark as a spam, move to trash, it's totally depend upon you. I'm going to delete trash. First of all, we have to send this on the trash section. Now you have to delete the permanent button. Delete the permanent. Hit this button. So go to your page, refresh the page. We have deleted. Now you can pass another. I'm going to send another comment, name, email, website. Okay, post the comment. So we have just posted the comment. Go to your page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, we have another comment. It's totally depend upon you. You have to approve or disapprove or spam, trash. It's totally depend upon you. So in this way you can use your comments on the comment sections, and you can delete or trash the comments. So it's totally depend upon you. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover the theme section, that how can you update your theme, and how can you insert a new theme, how can you activate your theme. So thank you for watching.